This is Net 25, a commercial UHF TV station owned and operated by the Eagle Broadcasting Corporation with 50,000-watt transmitting power, authorized under station license BSD 0184-2020-0452, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until July 12, 2023. Net 25 studios and transmitter are located at Central Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. Net 25 engineering is headed by Bernard N. Pangulayan, Professional Electronics Engineer number 869. Net 25 transmission personnel is composed of electronics engineers and first-class radio operators with licenses issued by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Erickson D. Ventura, Electronics Engineer number 44844. Arturo F. Pascua Jr., Electronics Engineer number 43934. Adrian V. Agosto, Electronics Engineer number 59367. Enrico V. Erbite, 941 RTG 7204. Gracious V. Pascual, 923 PNCR 352. Modesto V. De Vera, 961 PNCR 18494. Fred C. Muliena, 931 PVI 6551. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. This is Net 25, the Philippines' first digital TV station, now signing on.
Naabot ng Net 25, hindi na mapigilan. Mapabata man o matanda, ang programa ay kinahiligan. Together forever, walang iwanan. Lahat tayo ay paangat magilaan. Maganda ang buhay, malinaw ang signal na abot sa bawat tahanan. Tara na, sambayan ng Pilipino, sama-sama na sa bagong paborito. Hinahanap ang talento at mga idolo, lahat ay nandito. Kaya sa Net 25,
kaya tara ng Pilipino, let's get together, let's all come alive. Kaya tara ng Pilipino, let's net together. Sa Net 25, sa Net 25,
sa Net 25. Tara na, tara na, tara na sa Net 25. Talagang lahat ay masaya, sulit ang panonood, kaabang-abang ang mga kasunod. Kaya patagal ng patagal ay parami ng parami ang manonood. Tara na, sambayan ng Pilipino, sama-sama na sa bagong paborito. Hinahanap ang talento at mga idolo, lahat ay nandito. Kaya sa Net 25,
kaya tara ng Pilipino, let's get together, let's all come alive. Kaya tara ng Pilipino, let's net together. Sa Net 25, sa Net 25, Net 25.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.